This is Billy, the weather guy. Well, we just got hit with our first winter storm of the season, and our first one was actually a strong one at that, and it overperformed. So anyway, let's just get right into the weather. This is Billy, the weather guy. We have some snow coming up next week. It's April. Yes. Right now it's 87 degrees. It's partly cloudy. It feels like 90. Humidity 45%, but right here it is somewhat cloudy and sunny. 88 degrees, but it feels like 101. Monday, high 79, low 69, 5 to 10 mile per hour wind with thunderstorms. Now the temperature is 78 degrees with a light sun shower. Soon there could be some light, some rain here, but the weather in the south is very unpredictable. So see you there, North Carolina. Well, bye. Well, it has been your forecast. Well, like the city, we thought it was good. Subscribe to see more. Make sure the bell icon is on for notifications. I will see you Friday. And bye. And as well, happy Mother's Day. Mother. Right now it is 40 degrees, and as you see, it is cloudy. We had a lot of snow, so before we get into the upcoming weather, of course, we got to talk about what just happened, because it wasn't just sunny. It wasn't sunny weather. Sunny weather's nice, but that gets the headlines and big storms, so let's talk about that. Winter Storm Avery is the name of the storm that just occurred. So it caused lots of issues. First of all, thousands of flights were canceled due to the storm, and traffic, the evening commute, was horrendous. Not that I know personally, since I still don't drive to college even though I got my license. I didn't mention that, I know. It's like not a big deal, it's under the radar, but yeah. I just take public transit really to get to the school. But anyway, the evening commute was horrendous. If you turned on the news recently, that was one of the big talking points, is how horrific it was. If you even were to go a mile, that was to take hours maybe, right? So that's when you know it's bad, when it's just hardly moving. The snow overperformed, as I mentioned in the start. What happened? The storm ended up going a lot slower than it was forecast to, and the cold air, and it didn't change over to rain until a lot later than was forecasted. So it ended up being more snow and less rain, so that there'd be more snow on the ground. And then when it did change over, there was some ice mixing in for the full rain. So that's not good at all either. So that is why it overperformed, since moving slower. The warm air was supposed to get into the system much earlier, but it couldn't. Cold air stayed locked into place, and it just kept snowing for longer. And then it finally changed over to rain, and then it finally changed back over to snow for places along the coast. Now for here, it was more of there was a lot more snow, and then it changed over to like a mix. A little bit of some rain fell, but then it quickly changed back over to snow here, because as I saw in the morning, it was snowing. Still, which is a shocker to me, because I thought this storm was supposed to be over by like 4 in the morning, by like 4 a.m. or something, like early in the morning, Friday today. It was supposed to be over, but it ended up going a little bit longer than that. So anyway, let's talk about the snow totals. Okay, so Central Park picked up 6.4 inches of snow. It was the first measurable snow also of the season also occurred in Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, which Thursday morning, Dulles International Airport reported 3 inches of snow, while 1.7 inches fell at Baltimore/Washington International Airport. And 1.4 inches were measured at Reagan National Airport. So quite a lot of snow was falling. In Philadelphia, International received 3.6 inches of snow. Pennsylvania, State College, Pennsylvania received 10.3 inches of snow. Winds gusted above 60 miles per hour at Wellfleet, Massachusetts. Nantucket, so that was 64 miles per hour exactly. Nantucket, 62. Sea Heights, Jersey, 61. So there was a lot of wind along the coast with this storm as well. So, and here's some other totals. There was a lot of snow actually everywhere. Around here in Rockland we had 6 inches. I think the highest I read was, I think, 6.7, 6.8 for a new city in the county. So, wow. Quite a shocker to the system since this is our first measurable snow of the season. And I didn't expect, 6 inches. I was saying 3 to 5. At first I was forecasting rain. So not snow at all. That changed as I updated on Instagram. So you gotta follow me on Instagram. If I want to do short little updates, that goes on there. So, yeah. Anyway, let's just talk about the upcoming weather. So, tonight, 32 degrees, partly cloudy, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Saturday, high of 45, low of 30. Mostly sunny, partly cloudy in the afternoon, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Sunday, high of 39, low of 34, cloudy. And some rain in the afternoon, continuing during the night with some snow mixing on late. Now Monday morning, there'll be some snow early in the morning. High of 43, low of 27, but that will change over to rain during the later in the morning. Then after that, it'll just be cloudy. 5 to 10 mile per hour winds and some snow mixing in, but don't worry about it. Tuesday, partly cloudy, high 39, low of 24, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Wednesday, high of 33, low of 23, mostly sunny. Winds are 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. So Wednesday, high of 33, low of 23, mostly sunny, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Thursday, high of 36, low of 25, sunny, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Friday, high of 41, low of 31, sunny, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds with some rain developing during the night. Now, since the low temperature is 31, maybe there could be some freezing during the night, so that it'll be a little bit icy Saturday morning. So, well, that has been your forecast. Well, like this video if you thought it was good. Subscribe if you want to see more. Make sure the bell icon is on for notifications. See you Friday and stay safe.